Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Argentina method in Fortnite. This technique involves changing your region settings to access different pricing. We'll cover the basic concept and what you need to prepare. Understanding this method can help you make informed decisions about your in-game purchases. It's important to proceed with caution and be aware of the potential implications for your account. The Argentina method in Fortnite is essentially a way to take advantage of regional pricing. Many digital storefronts, including Epic Games, adjust prices based on the economic conditions of different countries. By making your account appear to be in Argentina, you might find V-Bucks offered at a more favorable rate. This strategy requires careful execution to ensure it works as intended. To implement this method, you'll first need a virtual private network, or VPN, set to an Argentine server. Then, you'll need to ensure an Xbox account is linked to your Epic Games account. A crucial step is securing a payment method that is accepted in Argentina, such as a prepaid card. Once these are in place, you can try purchasing V-Bucks through the Xbox store while connected via VPN. Before attempting this, it's vital to understand the risks involved. Using a VPN to bypass regional restrictions can potentially violate Epic Games' terms of service, which might lead to account suspension or even a permanent ban. Acquiring a valid Argentine payment method can also be challenging for those outside the country. Furthermore, regional pricing is subject to change, so the savings might not always be consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.